currently spinning at 1000 RPM. I have the speedometer up. It is shaking like an absolute earthquake. I don't know why it's shaking so bad, but it really is. And if I put this on top, look at that! Why is it shaking so bad? Oh my! Oh, let me get rid of that. It's speeding up to 1,200. What's he gonna do, like a full? It's 1,150. So close to 1,200. It's also shaking less as well. That's good. How many minutes do we have left? We have 5 minutes left. Let's get the speedometer back up. Oh, here we go, 1,400. I guess this is all it's gonna go. I don't think it's actually going to do 1,400. Probably just going to stay like this. But just look how much it's shaking. Also guys, this is not my washing machine. This is my friend's washing machine. So yeah. Shaking very badly. So yeah. How many minutes do we have left? Because yeah. 2. Yeah, it's probably just going to stay like that. Oh, there we go, it's slowing down. Oh god. Oh god. Absolutely insane spin there. Now it's just gonna do the tumbling. It has completed the spin of 1,400 RPM. Well, kind of. It didn't really go 1,400. It almost did though. Yeah. I will film the end song for you guys. I don't know what the model is, because I think the model got taken off. If I can I find the English one? Nope, there we go. I'll film the end song. Come back to you guys when it's ready. Right. It's not ready yet. When the door unlocks, it will, play the song. So, yeah. Oh, here we go. And there you have it. That was the craziest spin I've ever had. It shakes like an earthquake. Very insane. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.